First, locate the motorcycle's diagnostic port and identify the type of connection, usually located on the side. Find the corresponding diagnostic cable interface and connect it. The device will power on automatically. From the main menu, select Diagnose and click the OK button. In the brand selection menu, choose Harley-Davidson and click the OK button. In the version selection menu, check if the software version is up to date and click the OK button. Click VIN Identify to automatically detect the vehicle information. Follow the prompt to turn the motorcycle key to the ignition position and click the OK button. Once the vehicle's basic information is confirmed, click the OK button. Enter the Diagnose page, where you can choose Quick Test or select Control Unit Diagnostics. Here, we select Quick Test and click the OK button. The system begins the diagnostic scan. Once the scan is complete, you can see which system has a fault. Here, the ECM system shows 4 faults. If none, it will display pass. Select the system with fault codes, such as the ECM system, press the OK button, and you will see a Read Fault Code function. Click OK to view the specific fault code details. The code displayed here is P110000EHCU, indicates torque control fault. At this point, you need to carry out the appropriate repair. For the sake of brevity, only one fault code is shown here. To view others, simply press the left or right buttons to switch. After the repair, you can clear the fault codes. Enter the Diagnose interface and select the Clear Fault Code function. Follow the prompt and press the OK button to confirm clearing the fault codes. The fault codes have now been successfully cleared.